Today, in this topic, I will figure out why Vietnamese people choose conventional food over organic food for their daily meals. The first reason I think is about the price. Food with organic label will cost at least 2 or 3 times more than normal food, but the taste of organic food doesn't feel fresher or more delicious, and it's hard to realize the difference. So most people will consider the price more than the taste. For example, 1 kilo of organic rice will cost 40 to 50,000 Vietnam dong, but normal rice will eat just 15,000 Vietnam dong. And when it's cooked, we can barely tell the difference. And there is another reason the label is lacking trust. In other countries, there are very strict systems to have an organic label on food, but Vietnam there aren't enough rules or regulations about organic labels. And there are many companies that use the organic label to sell food at a more expensive price. And also, how can consumers have enough time to double check everything they buy? And the third reason is that Vietnam is an agricultural country. Most people in Vietnam buy food at traditional markets with fresh vegetables and fresh meat every day, and they are used to it. They they can't really be aware of what makes organic food different or what the benefits of organic food are, so they won't prioritize those foods. Especially the fourth reason is that there isn't enough public research or education to teach people about that. So they don't need to consider organic food. They just think that's another type of marketing from food companies. And organic food is very expensive and hard to afford for most people in a developing country. So organic food is mostly for export or for people with high incomes. And that is some thinking of me about organic food. Thank you, teacher, for listening to my speaking.